Those golden moments by the sea, I'll always keep close to me. Fish and chips, skinny dips, a kiss from salty summer lips. Forgetting all cares, a breath of sea air. It's always worth the wait. The coast soothes us all like warm toast. It's the place that I will always treasure the most. Sleep to the sound of waves crashing down, and wake to the sound of seagulls squawking around. Swap bus 49 for a 99. Smog for fog, desktops for flip-flops, conference calls for coastline jogs. There's more to life than clocking on and off. A shock to the senses, with full moons and sand dune fences, the shore life's for me. With rolling waves, rocking ships, summer dresses, swaying hips. I don't know why we've been put on this tiny island we call home, but I do know that our natural habitat is wherever the hell we want to roam. Those little pieces of the sea I'll always keep close to me. Skimming stones, double dips, deck chair chuckles, coastal road trips. So see you there, Mr. Fisherman, on low or high tide. There's just one place I long to be, where the sea meets the sky.